in this video I'm going to show you, as you can see, it's, Brandon Marshall is the Jets one. He's out of the league. This one is the Color Rush limited jersey, and it's not the this year the jerseys, the numbers are screen press. This was when he played with the Jets. And so these jerseys, the Color Rush limited jerseys, they're stitched on, as you can see. And then it has the NFL logo with the fly wire collar, and you have number 15, and then these are also made by Nike. The white stripes on the shoulder, and as I said, the letters, numbers are stitched on. I have it still has the tag on it, the 150 Color Rush. Doesn't say Color Rush. So these are limited. But anyway, I just wanted to show you that one. And yeah, this one still has the dry fit as well. So as of like this year's game jerseys as well, and the Color Rush jerseys, they're dry fit. And yeah, just wanted to show you that one.